Little warded old German padlock, probably 1930s. You can just make out the writing in the bottom. Anyway, fully locked up. Use the warded picks. Probably the L shape will do. Just in. There should be a spring at the top. You just feel for it. He says, and on cam will it go?
Sponsors ITV mystery drama.
There we go. And you can see that? Yeah. It's gone. Didn't think it would go. Usually sulks from it. Come in the day. Huh. Come in the day from Romania of all places. Didn't cost very much, an eBay purchase of course. Anywho, DBC Locksmiths forum. Feel free to join and have a look around. And if I can move it into picture, bye!